No one likes the like of misery, which means everyone is out there finding ways to get rich. However, it takes a fair share of mistakes to learn that it's their habits that stop them from being rich. Though you don't need to be worried about this, as today I'll share with you the signs, or let's say the habits, that won't ever let you be rich. Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video on this channel, where I keep sharing useful and successful methods that you need today to reach the heights of riches that you want to. However, today I won't be sharing how you can be rich, but what are the things that you are doing wrong, and they won't ever let you reach your desired financial goal. Very often, we believe that our luck is not in our favor, or some natural constraints would never let us win. There is no doubt about being constrained by external factors. So, today let's discuss some of those major signs that won't ever let you become successful. Well, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Before we dig deep into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when we upload a new video. Everyone in their life reaches a point where the thought of becoming rich strikes their minds and they can't shake it off. Well, obviously, if someone is born with a silver spoon, they won't be struggling with such thoughts. However, as someone who's out there to try their luck at becoming rich and it's not working out, then this is just the right video for you. At this point, you might be thinking, how do I know what you are struggling with and what those problems are that need to be addressed? To put you at ease, I'll tell you that I too have a fair share of blunders of my own. So, let's discuss the signs that are stopping you from becoming rich today. Number 1. You don't understand money. What is money? It's just basic mathematics. It's simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Your income streams are one way to add money to your financial portfolio. Your expenses are the subtraction. Your habits of investing are multiplication. And your spending specific amounts on certain expenses is the division. Get it? How basic it all is? I'm not trying to oversimplify things. Trust me, it's all basic operations. Though you need to be very good at mathematics to understand and perform all these operations. If you can't understand money matters, then I'm afraid you might be able to earn big money, but getting rich and wealthy is a different game. It doesn't matter if you run your own business or you are an employee. Understanding money is equally important for you to make the decisions that will put you on the path to getting rich. Number 2. You are not disciplined. Every new goal in your needs another level of determination from you, and whether you will succeed in the goal or not depends on how disciplined you are in your life. The discipline required to be rich includes discipline in your habits, determination, hard work, and perseverance in accomplishing your tasks. If you are someone who struggles with disciplinary issues, for example, not having a proper routine in your life, or you have a habit of taking impulsive decisions and you are not organized in your day-to-day matters. If you have any of these problems here, then it might sound harsh, but forget about being rich. If you think you'll keep up a shopping spree every sale or spend weekend nights at some expensive bars with your friends and somehow, some imaginary will make you rich. Those who say it's possible lie. You know the best part of this problem? It's all in your hands. You just need to be fixated enough on your goal to let the distractions go, and then you are all set to become rich. You want to change your life for good, destroy the old habits that are holding you back. Number 3. Focus on saving more than earning. Saving money is good. It shows that you have control over yourself and you don't spend irrationally on the stuff you don't need. But the point I'm trying to make here is that you need to think and try out methods that will increase your income. Saving is idle money lying in your bank account getting depreciated day by day. However, when you focus on earning more, then you can invest more, which will help you get a table among the rich. By sticking to your current practices, you might make your way out of being poor, but this ends here. Your savings saves you from becoming poor, but your earnings will make you rich. Number 4. You spend more than you earn. Today the world has become so superficial, everyone is trying to look rich. Do you understand what this means? This means people are focused on looking rich rather than being rich. There's no shame in acknowledging that you cannot afford something at some point in your life. Rather, this should act as a factor to motivate you into working towards being able to afford that. But instead of waiting often, people would borrow the money. That's utterly stupid. Though I am no one to comment on how people should live their lives, the point of mentioning this point is that if you are indulged in such practices, then be careful. You are always on the verge of becoming poor. If you like something, perfectly fine. Go out and find ways to earn it yourself. Number 5. You have no plan how to achieve your goal. Without a plan, your financial goal is just a wish. If you think you are going to become rich by just thinking about becoming rich, that's not going to happen. Well, for one, I believe becoming rich is a very subjective thing. You must pass a threshold to call yourself rich. However, there's a lot of grey area. So, if you are someone who's just going with the flow, then believe me, it's not going to help you. You need to break it down and understand how much you can earn, what are your lacking areas, and how much you need to earn to achieve your personal financial goals. Once done, now plan and look out for ways to improve yourself in areas where you lack and find out ways to accomplish your goals. When you'll do this, you'll come to know that there's how much out there waiting for you to explore. So, just make a sound plan and go grab what's yours. Number 6. You don't invest your money. This is what the multiplication part in the beginning was all about. You can keep earning and saving all your life, but if you don't invest somewhere, then it's of no use. The value of money keeps on depreciating day by day, which means the money laying in your bank account keeps losing its value. So, what can we do about it? Investing will play the most important part in accomplishing your financial goal. If done right, there's no end to it and the sky is the limit. A short disclaimer, investing is not easy and you might lose some bucks in the start, but the catch here is that you never stop. Learn and keep going until it works out for you. Happy investing. Number 7. You are looking for shortcuts. There is no shortcut to success in the world. You must earn it with your blood and sweat. So, if you are looking for shortcuts or some miracle to happen that will change your fate, then you are in for a big surprise, as there aren't any. People who find shortcuts are always victims of Ponzi schemes because the Rolling Stone mentality gets you nowhere. So if you're not watching this for a time pass and want to decide to know what's that one thing that's not making you rich, then this is it. Forget that there exists a shortcut to life out there and buckle up, because life's not a bed of roses. But believe me, it's all worth it. Number 8. You're not learning new things. Our world is in constant transition, where if you are not constantly learning new things, then you are destined to fail in today's world. The same is the case with becoming rich. If you are not learning new skills and practices that will help you to achieve your financial goals, then take it as a sign that there's no way you can become rich. In previous times, a degree could take you many places, but not today, as now you must keep up. Don't waste your leisure hours chilling on Netflix, but invest in learning. Go out today, see what's new that you don't know. It's just a matter of time before old practices will run out, and you'll have to find yourself new ways to do things. So, why not get heads up? This is it for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Do let me know about your feedback in the comments. Until then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.